Let's make the TikTok viral baked feta pasta recipe. Veganized, of course. For the ingredients, we have pasta, grape tomatoes, basil, garlic, and vegan feta, black pepper, sea salt, and extra virgin olive oil. You'll find the exact measurements in the description box below. 6 cloves of garlic, and we're just going to have those. We've got our 9x13 baking pan. We've got our grape tomatoes, 2 pints going in. Then we're gonna add our garlic, olive oil, pepper, salt. Then you're just gonna mix it. The recipe calls for a block of feta, but we're going to use these feta crumbles going in our feta. Drizzle some more olive oil. This calls for a lot of olive oil, but I'm not a huge olive oil fan, so I'm going to go a little less on the olive oil. Plus, there's a lot of oil already in the vegan cheese, so that should work out fine. With the back of a fork, just press down on the tomatoes and they will burst. It's kind of satisfying, and just keep going around, and that's going to release all of the flavor and juices of those roasted tomatoes. So delicious. And there we have it, viral TikTok recipe, baked feta pasta. Taste it. That is so delicious. Let me know if you try this and what you think. Also, let me know if there are other viral TikTok videos you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.